Alright, today we're going to be doing an install and review of the Kooks header mufflers. This is a bullet style. See, there's the part number. It is a 3.5 inch diameter, and we're going to compare that to what I had in my tea bucket, which was the auger style muffler. And at the end of the video, there's some sound clips of both. Stay tuned. But it had been falling on its face around 5,000 RPM. So I've got some Kooks. They are straight through mufflers for it, and we see the comparison of what's been on there. I believe that's going to help pull the higher RPMs. And I'll get some better pictures up there, but that was the auger style muffler. Conventional glass pack style, but I'll show you some other pictures. I think that was choking it out, but that'll be the winter project on the tea bucket. Stay tuned, I'll go into more detail. Muffler on the header now. As you can see, that's going to add about 8 inches in total length to the exhaust. The polish, stainless steel, matches up with the chrome pretty well. The clamps I used are the Walker Mega Clamp. And you can see they got some sealant in there to seal the gap, and these are what they called polished, and they match pretty well. So we'll finish tightening everything up and come out and start it and do a sound comparison. Some microphone issues there on the last audio with the Kooks muffler. Phone's doing some goofy stuff. Both mufflers sounded about the same at volume-wise. However, the Kooks definitely had a bark to it when you crack the throttle. Very good looking muffler. Be interesting to see what it does for performance once it gets warmer out, but thanks for watching.